Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Picture this, a crucial drone feed, or maybe a military comms link, just goes dark. The signal's gone. And this isn't some movie plot. It's a real threat happening right now in conflicts across the globe.
But what if a signal could move so fast that an enemy just couldn't catch it?
To solve this puzzle, first you gotta understand the weapons of this invisible war. Attackers use electronic warfare, mostly jamming and spoofing, to totally disrupt satellite communications.
Jamming is like shouting over someone, but spoofing? That's a way more devious trick.
Think of it as a convincing lie that sends a GPS-guided weapon completely off course. A total disaster. Remember, the first shot of the 2022 invasion wasn't a missile, it was a cyber attack. So, how do you possibly defend against an invisible attack like that? Well, you use a super clever technique called dynamic seed frequency hopping, or DSFH for short. It's like you and a friend in a loud room have a secret plan to instantly switch spots. An enemy jammer just can't keep up. The signal basically teleports away from them. So this is way more than just a neat trick. It's a critical defense for a new era of conflict. And this new era brings us to a really harsh truth about our super-connected world. It's a crazy paradox, right? Our greatest strength, our space tech, is also our biggest weakness. That quiet sky above us, it's no longer a sanctuary. It's now a full-on battlefield. Which leaves us with one heck of a question for our time. Who's watching the watchers? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.